Have you ever imagined living forever? Waking up 1,000 years from now, watching civilizations rise and fall, and never growing old? It sounds like the ultimate dream. No death, no fear, infinite time to explore everything. But what if living forever isn't as perfect as it seems? Today, we'll explore why immortality has fascinated humanity, and why, perhaps, it's not meant for us. The human dream of immortality. Since the beginning of time, humans have chased eternal life. From the Epic of Gilgamesh, where a king searches for the secret of immortality, to the alchemists of the Middle Ages who tried to create the elixir of life, our fear of death has always pushed us to dream of living forever. Even today, billionaires are investing millions into anti-aging research. Cryonics labs promise to freeze your body and revive it someday. Tech companies imagine uploading our minds into computers. It seems we've never stopped asking the same question, greater than why die when maybe we don't have to? The science of aging. But before we dream too far, let's understand what aging really is. Every cell in our body has a limit. It can only divide so many times before it stops. Our DNA gets damaged over time, our proteins misfold, our cells slow down. It's like a machine that gradually wears out no matter how careful you are. Scientists are trying to slow this process by studying genes like telomerase, which might repair our cells, or by using stem cells to replace aging tissues. Some experiments in mice have already extended lifespan dramatically. So maybe the first steps toward longer life are already here. But even if we could stop aging, would that mean we truly live forever? The problems with immortality. Let's imagine we did it. No one dies. The world stops aging. At first it sounds incredible, until you think deeper. Population would explode. Resources like food, water, and space would vanish. And if people never died, would there still be new generations, innovation, or progress? Even emotionally, immortality might destroy our sense of purpose. When life never ends, does it still have meaning? Would love still feel powerful if it could last forever? Would you still chase dreams if you had infinite time? Maybe immortality is not freedom, but a different kind of prison. The philosophical side. Philosophers have argued that death gives life its shape. It forces us to make choices, to value moments, to live fully. If time was infinite, nothing would feel urgent. Nothing would truly matter. Even nature seems to agree. Everything that lives must eventually end. And in that ending, something new begins. That's how evolution, renewal, and growth happen. So maybe immortality isn't about never dying. Maybe it's about living so meaningfully that death loses its power over you. Immortality sounds like a dream, but perhaps it's our impermanence that makes us human. Because every sunset feels beautiful only because it ends. Every story matters because it has a final page. And every heartbeat counts because one day it will stop. So maybe the better question isn't, why not live forever? But rather, why not live fully while we can? Why not exploring the impossible?